Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix microphone not working on Windows 11. So if your Windows 11 microphone is not working, whether with internal or external microphone, and I want to fix it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to fix Windows 11 microphone not working, there are three different approaches you can take. And here, I'm going to show you the three different approaches you can use to fix your Windows 11 microphone not working. The first approach is click on the Start button, select Settings. Now, on the Settings page, scroll down the left side and click on Privacy and Security. Then on the Privacy and Security page, you want to scroll down, just scroll down until you get to where you see App Permissions. Locate and click on microphone underneath the app permission headline. Then here, first, you want to make sure that microphone access is enabled. If microphone access is disabled on your Windows 11, your Windows 11 microphone is not going to work. So for it to work, you must make sure you enable microphone access. Once microphone access is enabled, all applications that have access to your microphone on your Windows 11 will pop. You say, these are all the applications that have access to the microphone on my Windows 11. However, if to say you want to use microphone on WhatsApp and the microphone access is disabled here, then WhatsApp microphone is not going to work on your Windows. For you to make sure the microphone access works, all you need to do is go ahead and turn this on. Now, once you turn that on, that's going to make sure that the microphone is working with your WhatsApp. So that's one of the ways you can use to fix Windows 11 microphone not working. Alternatively, close the settings page. Again, click on the Start button. Search for Control Panel. So you want to make sure you search for Control Panel. Open Control Panel. And once you open the Control Panel, locate Hardware and Sound and then select that. Once you selected Hardware and Sound, locate Sound and click on that. Then once you click on Sound, locate your microphone from the list. So in this case, this is my microphone. The external microphone I connected to this laptop run on Windows 11. Select the microphone just like this. Then come to where you see Set as Default and click on the drop menu beside it. Then choose Default Device. Then click on OK. That's going to set the microphone as default to your Windows 11 each time you connect the microphone to it instead of using the internal or built-in microphone on your Windows 11. And again, go ahead and click on the sound option again. Now, once you click on the sound option, you set this to your default microphone. Then again, select the microphone. Once you selected the microphone, click on Properties. Then on the Properties page, what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and click on Levels. Then make sure the microphone level is at the maximum. So set this to maximum. And once it is set to maximum, let's suppose this is where it was once. So right click on the microphone, select Properties, or select the microphone and click on Properties. Then come here, select Levels, and then drag this to the edge. After that, click on OK, and then click on OK. Then after all this, you can now go ahead, restart your Windows 11 computer by clicking on the Windows button and then click on Power and then choose Restart. Then this should face your Windows 11 microphone not working. So if this really helped you and does address what you're looking for, please give this a like and do not forget to subscribe.